Hello. So let's say you have this kind of the mixed case styles and texts and uneven texts. So let's organize them and then split into text. So you can use this proper function. So what it does is change like this. It fixed all the text in a cell. Now let's split them into text. So go to data, text to column. So it's not going to work because it has proper functions in it. So we need to fix that first. How are we going to do it? Just copy and Control-Shift-V. Oh, sorry about that. Copy, Shift-V, or it's just the text paste value. But now it's different. Now you will see proper function here. Only you will see the text result. Well, let's highlight them. Go to data, text to column. So now because there's you can see the semicolon in between city and country names, you can use semicolon, text, finish. Now see, now it's easy. So now you can work on it. That's all.